As we click on Show Order button, we are going to display the shapes one by one from the array list in shapes there. So in the very first click, we are going to show the one at index 0, first one only. On the second click, we are going to display the ones in index 0 and 1. So we see that second one is added on to the canvas and so on. So we are going to display through the range specified by show order, and the show order will increment the range by 1. So to do so, we need to handle the display on the canvas. So first of all, let's declare this one as a private. We forgot to do so. Private int single step index. Let's begin with -1, which means if less than 0, the single step mode is not there. It's just to display everything. So we need to control that. If single step index is 0 or positive, it's a single step mode. Otherwise, it is a show all mode. That is the one. And then let's format the source code. So when in single step mode, we are going to display from index 0 through the single step index for int I is 0, I is through single step index I plus plus there. So shape is shapes get I render like this one. At this moment, the single step index should be always within the one less size of the shape, but that should be guaranteed. Otherwise, we have index out of range error. So if shapes size and the single step index is less than shape size, that is okay. Otherwise, we just skip that. We should not attempt to get this one. So that is a single step mode, but this single step mode will be controlled by the button. So event listener, button event listener, when single step, this is show order, else if e.get source equals panel get show panel get show order button, then we need to increment the single step. So what you want to do is as follows. So from panel get canvas, let's call increment single step index. There we are going to define that method shortly, and then we need to repaint canvas, repaint there. So this method call just increment the single step index, then that is taken care in canvas. So on the canvas, let's define public void increment single step index there. So we cannot just increment beyond the shape size. So let's double check shape size is 0 empty, then we cannot increment that. Otherwise, let's increment the single step index. But if single step index is shapes.size, it reaches the last one, then single step index is reset to the 0, 1. The very last one is a size -1, but after increase, it goes beyond the size limit, that it should go down to 0. That's the one, and then listener part, that is taken care. So let's see single step index mode works or not. Drawing demo. So let's add some circle, and then rectangle and triangle, yellow, circle, rectangle, triangle. So we have added a 6 in that order, and then let's do show order. 1, and it does not work yet, so some graphics are not properly handled. So let's fix the error on the next video.